All right, it's early in the morning and the guys are coming to tie in the rebar, clean out the footings. You can see there where Barrett and I framed up the shower. I just wanted to get one last look at it before the concrete was poured today. SRM, baby. See, we got our rebar tied in. We're all ready. I got my little spot for the water line to come in. But here, rebar is looking good. Our knockout for our shower, which is going to be an awesome little project. I'm going to use may use concrete countertop mix for that. I'm not sure yet. Now all we need is some guys here to pour. They're hiking through the woods, I guess. That's a good slump.
Yeah.
That's a good mix right there. People always think they just leave it laying on the plastic, but they pull it up as they go. I was a little worried at the power line at one time. Kind of gets down kind of low right there, but it's working out. You are an excellent driver.
Thank you.
What was your name?
William Wilman.
William? My name's William too. I just go by Anthony and Tony. But thanks. You did a good job missing the septic tank and field line. We got another truck. You can see we're using 4,000 PSI. Artisans do not use wimpy 3,500 PSI concrete. And we got a 2% retarder in it because it's so hot. That'll keep it from setting up while they get it screeded and bull floated. And even when they start to machine it, it'll allow them some working time. You don't want to put too much retarder in it though, because I'm going to stain this after, and a retarder, too much retarder will inhibit the stain from penetrating. Next truck is coming. Getting hot out here. We have a lull in the battle of the concrete front. I can't see, there's a glare on my phone. There's a lull. We're waiting on the next load. Now the slump on this load will be 5 because we've already poured our footings around the edges and it's stiffening up now. You don't have to worry about concrete running out around the edges. See here, we had a little run out, but that's really nothing compared to what I've seen before. If you pour it too thin, like a 6 slump, this would have been all out in the yard. So that's pretty good. You want to keep these loads low. You don't want to put, you wouldn't want to start building the concrete up to the form level yet, because you'll have different, it'll set differently. So you really want to have most of this filled in. This is 5 inches, so you'll want to have about 3 inches filled in. And then when you do your top lift, it'll be, you can just knock it out and you'll have one big pour on top. Looking really good. Machine, you can see this part's almost ready. That's the last part that they poured over there. Still really wet. This is sort of the intermediate. So you have to start slowing down a little bit when it gets into this wetter. It gets wetter as you go this way. Over here you can crank it up. Right there it's a little bit drier too. Can't wait to pour my shower. It's gonna be a neat project. Okay, it's the next day, and we want to keep our concrete good and wet to help cure it. And what's going on here? Can't get my thumb right. There we go. Got Barrett's gloves on here. The hose is all nasty. But yeah, this keeping it, the slab wet will help cure it and also keep it from drying out too fast in direct sunlight. You can see it's already starting to dry out. Plus you can give your slab a good bath. Get all that gravel and crap off. I'm going to stain this, so I'm going to keep it clean. Hopefully I'll be able to clean it or stain it. They put retarder in it because it's so hot yesterday. And get off my slab, dirt and grime and rocks. This is a clean room, a safe environment. Anyway, it's fun to play in the water, you know, even if you don't believe in hydration, even if you don't agree with the mythos of curing concrete. It's just fun to play in the water. You know, when you were younger, your mom would say, "Tony, quit playing with the hose." Now I can say, "I'm doing it with purpose, Mom." It's fun. It only takes a few minutes, see? And this is, what, 1,200 square feet of slab, and just did it in less than 5 minutes. So, don't be lazy. Go out and cure your concrete.